In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy gold on XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, I want you to hover to the left side panel where you can find the My Trades. Now, if gold is already part of your favorites, it will appear here like this one. Okay, so I have a specific gold here. But if you can't find any gold, you just have to type it on the search bar. For example, type in gold and you would have all of these gold results. For example, gold.com, gold.com, and gold FUT. If you choose the first one, what will happen is it will appear on the favorite panel. If you right click on it, it would give you 3 more options. You can set a stop loss, take profit for a click and trade, open ticket. But I highly suggest you click the open chart. It will appear on the chart panel. You have the indicator right here. It's price movements. You have the calendar, market analysis, education, and account history for this specific gold that you chose. Now, the investment amount here, you can put anything here. For example, 69. If you do that, you would notice that the sell option is changing, right? Real time, as well as the buy. So it's up to you if you want to sell it at this price or investment amount, or if you want to buy it. But of course, before buying, you may want to check the price, check the trend, add indicators here if you want. Review the time frames here because it helps you decide when to enter the trade. And once decided, click the buy button. A new window will appear. Now, this determines how much gold you are buying, and it helps you close your trade if price drops to a certain level. Especially if you are a beginner, consider starting with a small position size to manage risk, and click the confirm button. Your gold position is now live. And of course, you can monitor it on the positions or open trade section. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to buy gold on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.